Welcome, aspiring hackers and cybersecurity enthusiasts, to another thrilling episode of Hack the Matrix. I'm your host, Oliver Arora, and today we're embarking on an exhilarating journey into the captivating world of ethical hacking. In this hour-long episode, we'll explore the essential techniques and powerful tools used by ethical hackers to secure digital systems. Get ready to unlock the secrets of ethical hacking and equip yourself with the skills needed to defend against cyber threats. Let's dive right in. Ethical hacking is the practice of legally and responsibly testing computer systems and networks to identify vulnerabilities and strengthen security. In this episode, we'll take a deep dive into various ethical hacking techniques and the cutting-edge tools that make them possible. To begin our journey, let's explore some essential ethical hacking techniques employed by cybersecurity professionals. 1. Reconnaissance and information gathering. Reconnaissance is the critical first step in ethical hacking. We'll explain the importance of gathering information about the target system, including open ports, network topology, and publicly available data. By utilizing techniques such as passive information gathering, network scanning, and footprinting, you can gather crucial intelligence before launching an attack. Understanding your target is the key to success. 2. Vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. Vulnerability assessment and penetration testing are vital components of ethical hacking. We'll discuss the process of identifying and assessing vulnerabilities in a system or network. We'll explore various tools and methodologies used to perform penetration testing, including network, web application, and wireless penetration testing. By simulating real-world attacks, ethical hackers can uncover weaknesses and provide recommendations for enhancing security. 3. Exploitation and post-exploitation techniques. Exploitation is where ethical hackers leverage vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access to systems. We'll delve into different types of exploits, including remote code execution, privilege escalation, and SQL injection. Additionally, we'll explore post-exploitation techniques, such as lateral movement and privilege escalation, to demonstrate how hackers can expand their control within compromised systems. Understanding the full scope of an attack allows for comprehensive defense strategies. 4. Web application security. Web applications are a common target for attackers. We'll discuss the importance of securing web applications and cover techniques like cross-site scripting, XSS, cross-site request forgery, CSRF, and SQL injection. By highlighting the vulnerabilities that exist within web applications, we empower developers and security professionals to implement effective defenses. We'll also explore tools like Burp Suite and OWASP Zap, demonstrating how to identify and mitigate web application vulnerabilities efficiently. Now that we understand the techniques, let's explore some powerful tools that ethical hackers employ to perform their tasks effectively. 1. Nmap. Nmap is a versatile network scanning tool used for host discovery, port scanning, and service enumeration. We'll demonstrate how to use Nmap to identify open ports, gather system information, and detect potential vulnerabilities in a network. By leveraging Nmap's capabilities, you can map out network environments and identify potential entry points. 2. Metasploit framework. The Metasploit framework is a comprehensive penetration testing tool. We'll delve into its vast array of features, including exploiting vulnerabilities, creating payloads, and conducting post-exploitation activities. By exploring Metasploit, you can gain a deeper understanding of attack vectors and simulate real-world scenarios to fortify your defenses. 3. Wireshark. Wireshark is a powerful network protocol analyzer. We'll explore its capabilities and demonstrate how to capture and analyze network traffic. Through the lens of Wireshark, we'll showcase how you can identify security vulnerabilities, detect suspicious activities, and gain insights into network communications. Understanding network traffic is essential for identifying potential security risks. 4. Burp Suite. Showcases the Burp Suite logo. Burp Suite is a widely used web application security testing tool. We'll delve into its functionality, showcasing how it can be used for intercepting and modifying web traffic, finding vulnerabilities, and conducting manual and automated scanning. With Burp Suite in your arsenal, you can identify and address web application vulnerabilities effectively. Segment 3. Live demonstrations and interviews. Now, let's witness the power of these ethical hacking techniques and tools through live demonstrations and interviews with cybersecurity experts. They'll showcase real-world scenarios and provide valuable insights into their ethical hacking practices. Conduct live demonstrations and interviews highlighting the practical application of ethical hacking techniques and tools, including scenarios like network scanning, exploitation, web application testing, and post-exploitation activities. Segment 4. Q&A session. It's time for our Q&A session, where we address your burning questions about ethical hacking techniques and tools. We've received some excellent inquiries from our viewers, so let's dive right in. That wraps up today's episode of Hack the Matrix. We hope you enjoyed this exhilarating exploration of ethical hacking techniques and tools. Remember, ethical hacking is a valuable skill set used to secure digital systems and protect against cyber threats. Join us next time as we continue our quest for cybersecurity knowledge. Until then, stay curious, stay ethical, and keep hacking responsibly.